I love this like yellow dress that we're gonna throw in for her.
Okay.
So that'll be really cute with the yellow dress.
Okay.
What were you initially thinking with your red dress that he would?
I was thinking about the chambray one.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking that would be really cute too. I think we could even start here. Not to, I hate to ask you to change, but I think that would be good.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
And then we have the flowers, the peonies. And I feel like I'm cutting her shoes off. So what does it look like if your
My shoes
are showing?
Okay.
Your feet are showing, and then you're like
this?
you're a little closer. Yeah. Oh yeah, so cute. That's looking great. Okay, good. So cute. And we'll actually just get started, like without the champagne first.
Yeah.
And I like your arm being like, I like it to where you can kind of spread out, like, or you can even play, like, kind of be like playing with it. But everything looks really pretty right now. Do you feel comfortable?
Yeah.
I feel great.
Alan, if your right hand is like kind of just, yeah, it could be a little, it could be more on the, yeah, right there. Cute. So you're just kind of looking right past the camera, so not at me. And then with your right arm, Vivian, I want to see there's a touch between you guys. Yeah. And so like I think the motion is going to be, he's going to be more coming into you or looking up at you. So you aren't going to have to be, you know, doing too much. And when you do, Alan, can you show me what it looks like when you look at her? Good. So do you see how you just kind of went like that with your face? So think profile.
Oh, okay.
So when you're you're looking more straight up. Okay, cool. And not looking at the camera yet. It's more just looking out at this. Wow, it's so pretty. You guys look so cool. It looks like you are like in the south of France, like having a picnic. So it's beautiful.
To the left of you?
About right here.
Okay.
Yeah, looking about right here. And it's beautiful. You're so happy. Life is good. That's so good. How would you, can you play, like, how would you hold hands? Like if you, yeah, what, yeah. And then can you scooch a little bit closer to her? That's good, that's good, that's good. Lean into her a little bit. Or, yeah, I'm feeling like it's, let's see. Maybe, can you come up on your arm just a little bit more? Yeah, good, good, good. Okay, this is cute. And then if, it looks good. I mean, if you were comfortable unbuttoning the top button, if you wanted to do that, I mean, I think it looks a little bit more comfortable. You just pull it down. And then show me with your right arm, if it's not around him, because I feel like it's looking a little like, yes, I want you to feel more feminine. Yes, 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 yes. I love how you just grabbed her hand. I just want you to lean more into her. Like you're flirting with her. She's looking at the beautiful lavender field over here, and you're looking at her. Okay. She's your lavender field, you know? And both of the legs can be bent and feminine. Yes, and you can even take this arm and fall into a shape over here. Yes, good, good, good. How's that feeling? And just like maybe even point your toes. Yeah, good. And then Alan, I want you to look like a little bit more like at her like, wow, holy cow, she's amazing. Go into, you're gonna go try to tell her something in her ear. That's it, cute, cute, cute. And then look at him. Good, yes, 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 that's beautiful. Good. And then the hand that you're holding right there, yeah, let's see it. Good. And just play with each other's hands a little bit there. Yes. Oh, that's great, you guys. That's so cute. That's so good, good, good. And then go in for like a little almost kiss there. Then looking back out one more time over here. Yeah, look, you can look straight to me even for this one. Good. And let's bring your heads a little closer together. Yeah. Yeah, all of that is so pretty.